Hey everyone, it's that guy from Brown Neck Reviews again. So today I have something that I want to look at, which I think is probably the most major innovation in airsoft in a long time. I I played airsoft about last time was about 12 years ago, and when I guess got out of it or just stopped playing, the biggest thing that created an immersion effect was the gas blowback type of mechanisms in the airsoft replicas. But I got back into it a couple months ago after pulling out, actually just came upon my old guns, some of my old airsoft guns in my storage unit. And as I was looking for parts to refresh these things, I came up on these things called tracer units. And so I looked at it and saw a bunch of YouTube videos. I was like, man, that looks pretty cool. So I bought one, and the one that we're going to look at is the Flare MBT. And this is made by eShooter. You could probably buy this on Amazon or any other airsoft retailer. So let's look at this thing here. So this thing actually has a little flamer thing, and this is the MBT, which is the Bluetooth version. So it has an app that you can actually download on your phone, and when you download it, you can control all of the functions of the tracer unit itself. So here I got the app right there on my phone, and I wanted to look at some of the things that it has on here. So this actually has a chrono unit built in, along with adjusting the color of the actual flame looking thing that comes out of the end of the replica. So you can adjust it all these kinds of colors. You can even have a rainbow effect, or I don't know what this dynamic rainbow is, but I've tried the single color and the rainbow, and it's pretty cool. So yeah, you got 10 color options on there, and it will work with, I guess, all these colored BBs, or the glow-in-the-dark tracer BBs. And that's the unit right there. You can see, looks like a mini suppressor looking deal. And the reason why I got this one was I was actually looking for something that was small enough that I can use it with other guns, and this does have 14 millimeter counterclockwise threads for your standard airsoft threaded barrels that you can use. It does have a rechargeable battery that you just plug in through a USB-C connection, and you can plug that into any power source basically that you want. And it has some other things. I mean, you can turn it on back there if you don't want to use your phone. This also does like a little shake awake feature. That's why you saw it flash, I think, earlier. So when you pick it up, it senses that movement, and then it turns itself on, which I think is pretty cool. It's kind of like some of the optics that I have on my real guns, where if you even touch the optic, it senses that movement and automatically turns it on. So if I'm in a panic situation where I forget to turn on the optic, it's already on for me. And this is one of those things where, you kind of can just leave it on your replica until you're ready to go and shoot or play or whatever you're going to do. It's solidly built. So the casing itself is metal. and it comes apart. So if you need to take it apart for whatever, or yeah, you're gonna have to take it off the cover in order to charge it, because the charging port is right there. So you can see the USB-C charging port, and it's got four of those RGB LEDs on it to simulate the flash coming out as if something was actually shooting out, which I think is pretty cool. I wouldn't use this in public because otherwise people will freak out and be like, oh my goodness, you're shooting a gun in your house or whatever. But that's up to you. So that's it right there. This also comes with an adapter, a 14 millimeter to 11 millimeter adapter. So you can use it. I think you can use that on airsoft pistols that have that 11 millimeter thread. And so you can hook it on there. You know, I don't have a pistol to show you on there, but I do have an airsoft gun here. So let me show you here. So this is my airsoft M4, and this has the 14 millimeter counterclockwise thread on it. So I'm going to take off the flash hider on here. And all you got to do with this is pop it on. So there he goes. Goes right on there. All right. So that's what it looks on my M4. I think it's pretty cool. It looks like a little, you know, mock suppressor or something on there. And so let me show you. Let me show you what it looks like when it shoots. So let me turn off the lights a little bit here, so you can see the flames coming out. So these are kind of meant to be used in a little bit. All right, so hopefully this shows on the camera. Let me do this. Okay. And let me shoot a couple of rounds off real quick. See if it's loaded up. All right, so yeah, you can see it right there. Okay, that's set to one color right now. So you can see you got set to one color on there. I'm gonna put it on the rainbow setting, and you saw it flash a little bit once I changed it, so it does everything in real time. So let me put it on automatic mode here. And there you see it, get a little rainbow effect, I guess. And also the flame. So if I wanted to change, oh, the other thing I wanted to show you too was the chronograph. So it'll actually chronograph your shots. So that's the chronograph right there. And when I fire it, let's see if it'll do it here. So you saw now that I've got some readings there on the FPS and everything. So I think this is great because for the price I paid for this, it's basically a tracer slash flame looking thing and a chronograph all in one. And I remember when I had a chronograph, I paid like $100 just for a chronograph 10 years ago. I don't know where it is now. It's probably still in the storage unit. But this one has it here, and I don't have to set up a tripod or anything. I just hook this up to the end of my replica, and I can chrono it. So this will also fit in other replicas, you know, not just M4s. And let me show you that real quick here. So I'm going to take this off. All right. So I got here a AK replica right here, and this right here, this sound forward, I don't know what compensator thing right there, is a 24 millimeter thread. However, this particular compensator has enough room in there that I could stick my little thing in here, and it'll fit just right. So you don't even see it, but it's there, and it'll actually work. So you can see right there, you know, and it's, I guess, discreet. Now I can't fire this one because this one's got an HPA unit in it, and I don't have any gas right now, and I don't know where I put the battery for the fire control unit on this thing, but you can see that it fit right in there, and that's the reason why I like this so much. It also has that size, so I can take that off, you know, if I want to use it on another gun. Well, we gotta kind of slide this one out because it's just seated in there. It's in there, got it in there pretty tight. All right. Then if I wanted to, I could even chrono my other guns. So let's put this on here, and you can see again 14 millimeter counterclockwise negative thread, or 14 millimeter counterclockwise thread on this thing. And it should go right there. So this is a M60 replica, and then I can chrono that also, because it will actually chrono the, and see, there it is. So it looks pretty indiscreet. Works it works pretty good. Don't feel like putting a battery in this thing right now and loading up the box mag, so sorry. But overall, I think for the price that you can get these at, there's some retailers that sell them for $80 to about $100, but it sounds expensive. However, what you're getting is a tracer unit along with a chronograph, and that's also Bluetooth compatible. So you can connect it to your phone through the little e-shooter app. You should see here, right there, and you can see you got all the settings right there. You know, if I need to, let me see if I can do that right there. There's the setting for that. And then you got your flame with the tracer on there. You can see it flashing as it changes the modes. Could have, I think, tracer by itself. Let me go flame with the tracer. Yeah, you see it flashing right there. So it's kind of telling you that it's changing mode. And of course you got your chronograph. The other cool thing is about this is through the app you can see what battery life if you need to charge this thing up. And it will also tell you your rounds per second if you have it on full auto, as well as, I think that's about it. Oh yeah, and this app also gets updated. So you always have the firmware updates on this thing along with the tracer unit itself. But overall, I think this is probably the coolest innovation that has happened in airsoft since I've been gone, at least from it. And now this, this just adds a whole nother dimension of when you're shooting this thing, and the whole feeling of it and everything. So that's it right there. The eShooter Flare M BT. So this is the Bluetooth version. There's also a Flare M that does not have Bluetooth, and I don't think it has the chronograph. I'm not sure, but it does have the little flame looking thing as well as the tracer. And so that's it. A little short overview on my airsoft toy stuff. Again, and so God bless you, God bless America, and God bless the troops. Don't forget to pray to Jesus, and God bless Israel. Amen.